Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two powerhouse laptops, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra and the M3 MacBook Pro. Both of these machines are designed to impress, but they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. We'll explore their sleek designs, stunning displays, and top-notch performance to help you decide which is the better fit for you. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra boasts a vivid AMOLED screen and versatile connectivity, while the M3 MacBook Pro shines with its mini LED Liquid Retina XDR display and remarkable battery life. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or just looking for a reliable laptop, this video has got you covered. If you want more information about these laptops, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Starting with design and build quality, both laptops bring a lot to the table. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra comes in a sleek moonstone gray aluminum chassis that feels both premium and sturdy. It's slim and portable, yet has a bit of flex if you press on certain parts. On the other hand, the M3 MacBook Pro continues Apple's tradition of robust design with its all-metal chassis, now available in a stunning new space black color. However, while Apple promises an anti-fingerprint coating, those smudges might still show up over time. Now, let's talk displays. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra boasts a 16-inch AMOLED screen with vivid colors, deep contrasts, and sharp details, making it perfect for media consumption. It's not quite 4K, but the 2K resolution offers a crisp and immersive viewing experience. Meanwhile, the M3 MacBook Pro features Apple's mini LED Liquid Retina XDR display, which delivers incredible brightness, color accuracy, and contrast, especially in HDR. While it's not OLED, most users will find the display absolutely stunning, particularly when watching high dynamic range content. When it comes to audio, both laptops excel. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra's quad speakers offer clear, loud sound with a hint of bass, something that's hard to find in most laptops. Samsung's inclusion of Dolby Atmos further enhances the listening experience. The M3 MacBook Pro, on the other hand, sports a 6-speaker system with force-canceling woofers, providing some of the best sound quality you can get from a laptop. Whether it's music, movies, or video calls, the sound is rich, balanced, and immersive. Under the hood, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU. This combo delivers strong performance across the board, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or handling productivity tasks. The M3 MacBook Pro features Apple's new M3 Pro chip, which brings significant performance improvements, especially in tasks that push the GPU and media engine. While the Galaxy Book4 Ultra is no slouch, the M3 MacBook Pro's 3nm process and enhanced efficiency cores make it a real powerhouse, particularly for those who need that extra bit of performance for demanding creative workflows. Battery life is another area where both laptops shine. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra comfortably lasts through a full workday and more, making it great for on-the-go professionals. The M3 MacBook Pro, thanks to its energy-efficient M3 Pro chip, extends battery life even further, surpassing its predecessor, the M2 Pro, by nearly an hour. Whether you're working or streaming, both laptops offer impressive battery longevity. In terms of connectivity, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra offers a wide range of ports, including USB-C Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB 3.2 Type-A, and even a microSD card slot. This variety is perfect for those who need multiple options. The M3 MacBook Pro, while offering fewer ports, 3 Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and a full-size SD card slot, keeps things modern and streamlined. However, it's worth noting that the M3 Pro MacBook can only support 2 external displays, compared to the Galaxy Book4 Ultra's greater flexibility. Finally, let's touch on the keyboard, touchpad, and webcam experience. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra features a large, responsive touchpad and a backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad. However, the typing experience might feel a bit shallow and hollow for some users. The M3 MacBook Pro, meanwhile, sticks with Apple's tried-and-true chiclet keyboard with scissor switches, offering a comfortable typing experience with satisfying key travel. Both laptops include a 1080p webcam, but Apple's FaceTime camera, combined with its image signal processor, delivers sharper and more balanced video quality. In conclusion, both the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra and the M3 MacBook Pro are exceptional laptops with their own strengths. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra offers a brilliant AMOLED display, robust performance, and extensive connectivity, making it ideal for users who need versatility. On the other hand, the M3 MacBook Pro impresses with its stunning mini LED display, superior audio, and remarkable battery life, making it a top choice for creative professionals. And this is the comparison between Galaxy Book4 Ultra and M3 MacBook Pro. If you are interested in either of these laptops, check out the links in the description below for more information. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.